and welcome back. This will not be a long video like yesterday until I can figure out what I need to do for my camera. But happy Vlogmas Day too. I know that these videos are coming out late and it's okay. I'm just getting off of work, and look, I had about an hour to myself. You guys, I look festive braids, you guys. I did them myself last night, and I had so much fun. This girl on YouTube, she was doing them like tutorial, and she teach you how to do your own braids, like, because it's cheaper and you don't have to go and pay nobody. You guys, I messed up some, but I'm going to go back over and redo, like these two right here. I gotta space them out and put, like, maybe add more braid to it, and then it'll be fine, and I'll do that in a second. But anyways, you guys, I have three hauls for you guys really quick, and then we're gonna do some laundry. I did make video of me doing these braids, but you guys, I don't know what happened, but they got lost in my Google file, and now I cannot upload them to nothing. So they're just kind of sitting there. Like, the best thing I think I can do is erase them and just, I don't know, I had the video like set, ready, edited, but then it just disappeared. And so I had to record off my phone, and it's taking up so much space, you guys. Like, and then I had to delete stuff so that I can record until I can figure out my camera situation. But anyways, thank you guys for commenting. You got commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much to my sis. Y'all are my uplifter, y'all are my motivator, and I hope that I can motivate you guys to keep continuing on your YouTuber journey. I know it's hard, I know, but we're getting through this together. If there's anything that you need me to come to your channel and subscribe and like everything that you put out, I definitely will do it, okay? So anyways, you guys, let's get to these hauls. It's just little small hauls, you guys. I went to Big Lots, a lie. I went to Five and Below. I went to Burlington to get a couple of things. I went to Dunkin'. Yes, sis, I went to Dunkin'. I tried their it's a new drink called the brown sugar brown sugar cookie. And this is it right here. I've been sipping on it all day because I don't want to. It's good, but it's sweet. So you might want to ask them to drop a couple of sweeteners in there, but not a lot. It's sweet. And then I got the maple croissant sandwich. It has maple bacon, egg, and cheese, but I opt to not get cheese. But anyways, let's get into the haul. First, I got from Burlington, and I'm so disappointed in this, and I think that this happened at Burlington, and I just did not notice, or babe didn't notice. He went shopping with me today to do a little Christmas shopping for my co-workers at my job. But I got one of my co-workers this, and it says Jesus Take the Wheel. If you guys know Carrie Underwood, she has a song out called, it's a while back, but she made a song called Jesus Take the Wheel, take it from my head, 'cause I can't do it all by myself. And whenever I hear that song just lifts my spirits so much. Like, we as women, sisters, we do have a lot on our shoulders, and if we could just say, Jesus, please take the wheel, because it's too much chaos, it's too much drama, too much stress, he will do it, okay? Yes, he will. But I bought this, and I'm going to take it back and see if I can get either a replacement or if they can just refund my money. But I got it on a gift card, so we'll see how that goes. But I literally was bummed out when I saw it, and babe was like, that is not right. I'm really disgusted with that, because if it happened there, then why didn't the lady say anything when she put it in the bag? Because she was really like throwing stuff in our bag, but we were still nice. It still was positive. We still had the positive mind, the positive vibe, all that good stuff. We still was positive. I bought this for myself, which this didn't break. It's a wine glass, and it didn't break, but that broke. So she had to been throwing it really like. But I bought this for myself. It's a wine glass. It says tipsy and bright. Dear Santa, please bring wine XOX. I thought that was so cute for myself. I'm gonna have this Christmas nights, okay? But I think lately I'm going to my mom's house Christmas Eve because we always have a tradition and we open our presents on Christmas Eve. And if you guys do that too, let me know in the comment section below if y'all open y'all presents on Christmas Eve, or y'all allow y'all kids to open y'all presents on Christmas Eve. I allow my son to open his presents on Christmas Eve. I don't give him a limit. He can open all of them because the faster he open it, the faster I can get rid of this wrapping paper. So I bought myself this butterfly necklace and butterfly earrings from Burlington. It's Anne Klein. So I bought that for myself. And then for myself too as well, I bought myself Nora Blake London. That's what it says, Nora Blake London. It says fine silver plated. So we all know it's gonna eventually it ain't gonna break me out, but it's gonna eventually turn color. So it ain't real. But I'm just really excited about what my babe's gonna give me for Christmas, because he just been asking. I've been telling him, no, I don't know, jewelry, maybe put a ring on it, you know. But anyways, okay, so and the last thing from Burlington, and then we did get back my son some toys and stuff like that for his birthday, but I am not able to show it. I will show it on his birthday date, which is 12/14/2022. So December 14th. So yeah, I bought these little tape things to tape up Christmas presents and all that good stuff, even my son's gifts. So I bought that. And I think that's a cheap price, $3.99 for the 4 of those tapes. And then from Big Lots, or Five and Below, I don't know why I want to call it Big Lots, you guys. We just got some candy canes, which is the Hawaiian Punch candy canes. And then we got the, what is this? Oh, Airhead candy canes. So we got just 2 candy canes. Babe said put it on the tree. I say no, because it doesn't really match the tree. The tree is going to be like all, you know, I want my minimalist tree. I want it to stay minimalist. So from Target, I already got one of these, but I got another one because I want to give it away. I got How the Grinch Stole Hershey's Kisses milk chocolates. I got one of those. And then I got these cute little deep plates. They like really deep, these deep plates. I got these. These are like $1 or 50 cents, something like that in that nature, but I like these. I got 2 of those. And then I got the bowls as well to match. Me and Babe already ate out of them. I need to wash them because on camera it looks like they haven't been washed. So I got that. And then I think I already told you I got it from Dunkin'. And so yeah, that is it, you guys. Let's get to the washing part of the video, because yeah, she needs to wash. So in the washer is just Babe's coats, my coats, and a couple of cotton masks. And so we don't know how to wash his coat because his coat is like really huge, really heavy, and all I know is I'm gonna put it in cold water and see what happens. So I'm using these Tide Pods up because we just got some more washing stuff right there from Walmart. And then I'm going to use my Suavitel. This is in the scent of Field Flowers. And then we'll use that. And then I always put my little scent boosters that I get from Mom's house for free, which I did get some more up there at Arm & Hammer, but I got some right here. So I put just a little bit of this, a cap full of this, and like 5 of these in there. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the washer, and that's the stuff in there, just coats and like I said before. And then I'm going to turn the washer on, speed wash, because that's quicker for me. And then I'm going to put colors because there's colors in there and I don't want anything to mess up. And I'm going to press start. And that's that. Then I got a little bit more washing stuff to do. But it's obvious we know how to wash clothes, stuff like that. So anyways, you guys, that's it. That's all I'm doing today. I'm sure you guys enjoyed the haul. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up. If you made it this far, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on Vlogmas Day 3. Happy Vlogmas Day 2, you guys. Bye.